Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can edit an already sent email in your Gmail inbox really quickly and without any advanced technical skills. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. So what you want to do is head over to your Gmail inbox and start a new message by clicking on Compose in the top left. And let me just craft and send a test email like that here for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do is click on send. And after that, you will have a couple of seconds to undo the message sending here in the bottom left corner. So click on undo here. And as you can see, the sending has been undone and the email recipient hasn't received that email yet. So make sure that you do that quickly, guys, and click on undo here in the bottom left corner, because you will only have a couple of seconds to do that until the email will irreversibly be sent to the recipient. You may, for example, edit your not sent email yet here again, and send it once you have added or made your changes. So guys, that's one option. What you may do also is head over to your Gmail inbox settings by clicking on that gear icon here. And inside your general settings here, you may, for example, increase the cancellation period. For example, here where it says send cancellation period, as you can see, it is on 10 seconds adjusted for me, but you may, for example, switch to a longer cancellation period like 20 or 30 seconds. That is going to give you more time to click on undo here in the bottom left corner once we have sent an email accidentally, so that you may react to it within these 20 or 30 seconds, undo the sending and add any edits or changes to your email and send it later. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.